Chapter 6 Division Warm-up activity. Division. Division is equal sharing or equal grouping. Division as equal sharing. Let us consider an example. 12 balls are distributed equally among 6 children. Here, each child gets 2 balls. It can be written as 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. It is the division fact. 12 is the dividend. 6 is the divisor. 2 is the quotient. The symbol stands for division. This can be read as 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Remember, dividend is the number to be divided. Divisor is the number which divides the given number. The number which we get as a result is the quotient. Division as repeated subtraction. Division is also called repeated subtraction. Suppose we need to divide 18 chocolates amongst 6 children. Since there are 6 children, we repeatedly subtract 6 from the total number of chocolates until we get 0. Step 1. 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. Step 2. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Step 3. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now, count the number of steps to know how many times 6 is subtracted. In this case, it is 3. Thus, each child will get 3 chocolates. It can be written as 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Division on the number line. Let us divide 20 by 5 using a number line. To do this, start from 20 and take jumps of 5 steps each time in backward direction to reach at 0. Here, we have taken 4 jumps to reach at 0. So, 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Relation between multiplication and division. Multiplication fact. 2 4s are 8. 2 multiply 4 is equal to 8. Division fact. 8 stars divided into 2 equal groups gives 4 stars in each. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Division fact. 8 stars divided into 4 equal groups gives 2 stars in each. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. From the above illustrations, we can see that multiplication and division are inverse operations. For every multiplication fact with 2 different factors, there can be 2 division facts and vice versa. However, a multiplication fact of same numbers gives only 1 division fact. For example, 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16 gives 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Division using multiplication tables. Let us divide 21 by 7. Recite the table of 7 till you come to 21. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. This means that there are 3 sevens in 21. Therefore, 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. Learn multiplication tables to do division sums. Properties of division. When a non-zero number is divided by 1, The quotient is the number itself. Example, 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5 and 7 divided by 1 is equal to 7. When 0 is divided by any non-zero number, the quotient is 0. Example, 0 divided by 6 is equal to 0 and 0 divided by 7 is equal to 0. We cannot divide any number by 0. Any number divided by 0 has no meaning. Example, 2 divided by 0 is equal to not possible. When a non-zero number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Example, 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1 and 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Long division without remainder. Division of a two-digit number by a one-digit number. Long division method helps to divide bigger numbers easily. Let us divide 35 by 5. Step 1. Write 35 divided by 5 as this. Here, 35 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. Step 2. Recall the table of 5 till you reach 35. We have 5 multiply 7 is equal to 35. Step 3. Write 7 on the top of 35 as the quotient and product 35 below the dividend. Now, subtract 35 from 35. 35 minus 35 is equal to 0. So, 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. Example 1. Divide 63 by 7. Solution. Step 1. Write the numbers as shown. Here, 63 is the dividend and 7 is the divisor. Step 2. Recall the table of 7 to get the number 63. We have 7 multiply 9 is equal to 63. Step 3. Write 9 on the top of 63 as the quotient and product 63 below the dividend. Step 4. Now subtract 63 from 63. 63 minus 63 is equal to 0. So, 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. Example 2. Divide 68 by 2. Solution. Step 1. Write the numbers as this. Here, 68 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. Step 2. As 6 is greater than 2, so start from the tens place of the dividend. Recall the table of 2 to get 6. As 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. Write 3 as the quotient and the product 6 below the 6 in the tens place. Subtract the numbers in the tens place. Here, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Step 3. Now, bring down 8. Again, recall the table of 2 to get 8. As 2 multiply 4 is equal to 8. Write 4 as the quotient and the product 8 below 8. Step 4. Subtract 8 from 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So, 68 divided by 2 is equal to 34. Long division with remainder. Sometimes the divisor does not divide the dividend completely and a number is left over. This number is called the remainder. Division of a two-digit number by a one-digit number. Example 3. Divide 32 by 5. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the numbers as shown. Step 2. Recall the table of 5 to get the number 32 or slightly smaller than that. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. Step 3. As 35 is greater than 32, so we will take 5 multiply 6 is equal to 30 because 30 is slightly smaller than 32. Step 4. 5 multiply 6 is equal to 30. Write 6 as the quotient and the product 30 below 32. Step 5. Now subtract 30 from 32. 32 minus 30 is equal to 2. As 2 is smaller than 5 divisor and there is no remaining digit in the dividend to bring down, therefore 2 is the remainder. So quotient is equal to 6 and remainder is equal to 2. Remember, remainder is always smaller than the divisor. Word problems. Example. Roshni had 40 candies. She wants to divide them equally among her 5 friends. How many candies should she give to each friend? Total number of candies is equal to 40. Total number of friends is equal to 5. Number of candies to be given to each friend is equal to 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. Roshni should give 8 candies to each friend.